I'd like to offer you another skill that offers you tremendous functionality on your website, and that's drop-down menus. And so here we're looking at the model site, and when I come up to the English tab, notice how, let me make sure it's active. When I come to the English tab, notice how a drop-down menu appears. And so what you have to imagine is right now we've only put one there, and it's one of the upcoming projects that you'll be creating in English. And there it is, elements of literature. So in the future, it wouldn't be one, it would be many, many, many projects that would be appearing on drop downs for each one of your different classes, various classes that you'll be taking this year. And so you wouldn't see one there, you'd see many dropping down. And then all you have to do is go ahead and click on it, and it brings you exactly to that page. You can also see, I'm going to come back over here to welcome, that you can also see that over here on the navigation bar, we already created that page and made it in a previous step. We created this page and made it a sub set, a sub element, a sub page of the English class. And that's the first step you need to do in order to create a drop-down menu. Step 1, go ahead and create a new web page for whatever project, whatever you want that drop-down to be. You have to create the page first. We've already done that. So let's go on to step 2. Step 2, I'm going to go back to the site I've been building. I'm going to, just for laughs and giggles, go on to the English page since I'm doing the drop down for it, even though you actually don't have to. But I'm going to come over here to the More Actions. Come on over to More Actions again. Select More Actions. Go on down to Edit Site Layout. Go down to Edit Site Layout. Select it. Now, as you know, when I click on, I come up to this level right here where the tabs is. There's this light blue. Go ahead and just click on the light blue. Click. And the window appears. Now I need to get that page, that project page, and it's not there. The one on Elements of Literature, Maru. So I know I made it, I just need it to appear here in this list. So I'm going to say Add Page, and it's looking, I still don't see it, but remember I put it as a subset of English. And see that plus? So when I select that plus, ta-da, there it is. Now I can say that's the page I want to bring up, and I'm going to say OK. And I should be able to see it here. I noticed my scroll bar is large, and there it is, Elements of Literature. Now all I need to do is see these arrows over here on the right hand side. I'm going to bring it up right to English. And it looks like it might be there. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. Yep, it is. I need to bring that project underneath the class English. And then all I need to do is to make sure that it realizes it's not on equal, or else it would just be a tab. I don't want a tab. But what I do want is that submenu. And the way you make it appear is go indent. Click. And right there now, that's all I had to do was get that page on here. We'd already made it earlier. Work its way up, get it underneath English, move it over one step, and then say OK. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to say Close. And now when I go to English, ta-da, there it is. And all I have to do is select it, and it will bring me directly to that page. That's drop-down menus.